The adventurers wander forth into the frozen tundra. Look at this ice that they're going to. There's a lake down there. Ooh. This is our little footpath. We're working our way down. And over those mountains last night, it was a pretty dope sunset. And I recorded it in time lapse, but it deleted. I guess I let it go too long. But I did like a 45-minute time lapse and it deleted itself. So that sucks. But we got to see a cool sunrise and the ground's not slushy. So we got some pretty good news. All right, time to go for now. See snow and happy faces.
He's not lying.
But it's literally everywhere. And we're walking in it. Let's keep on keeping on, moving our way down.
My thing is to take too much pictures now because too much is better than not enough.
You're not lying. That's where we're headed. Now, we might be out here walking on like 8 feet of snow that you can see. But don't be fooled. It's hot. It is really hot out here. The sun is cooking. So, just gotta keep on moving. Get to where we're going. Chill. So right now it is toasty. Toasty warm. This is just awesome. All kinds of crazy water. This is our little path here. It's not bad. So, out here walking. And, you know, it's awesome out here. It really is, but sometimes I just really miss home, you know? I miss cooking food in my kitchen and waking up to my dog and sleeping in my bed, kissing my wife. I miss these things and I'm out here missing those things. And the trail's tough physically, but they say you give up mentally before you're physically giving up. Your mind will throw in a towel first. And I'm just fighting those days where I'm missing home. And I try to enjoy this out here while I can because, you know, one day I'm gonna be older and I won't be able to afford to put my body through this kind of abuse. So I'm out here kind of doing it now while I can, so I don't regret it when I'm older that I didn't. Damn. I really miss home. I really miss my wife. I really miss my dog. And my cats, and my computer, and my Xbox. My car driving, man, I miss my car. You ain't lying. Sometimes getting your feet wet just cannot be avoided. We're huffing and puffing. That's because we just climbed all the way up to Southern Pass. And What that means is we're just under 11,000 feet. We're up here. I made it. Southern Pass. We got you, baby. We got you. Right now, we are walking alongside Bear Creek. And I'm thinking, looking at this scenery, if there's anywhere we're gonna see a bear, it's right here. Crossing the bridge. Headed into Mammoth Lakes. About 30 miles away. Probably not even that anymore. It's probably like, honestly, like 20 miles now. Who knows? But I'm heading there. I'm on my way. Climbing the staircase after the waterfall, on our way to the top of Silver Pass. This helicopter keeps circling around. They're looking for someone right around here.
They'll probably see us.
Haven't seen anyone though. Yeah.
That is such a nice guy.
Coming up to what looks like the top of the world. There can't be anything higher than this. Here we go, baby, down the big sled. You ready? Woo! Woo! Ah! All right, we made it. Woo. Another one. Ah, yeah, I found another one. Baby, we're going down. Sitting on this little seat here. And we're about to... Whoa, that was a hard sit. So here we go. Going down. Woo-hoo-hoo. 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 Yeah! Yeah, baby. "8:30 in the morning, and we're crossing the freezing cold waters." Yeesh.
Oh my God.
Is it terribly cold? That's Duck Lake. Side trail. It's not even an alternate on Good Dogs. But we read in the comments that there's a pass up here, and it's definitely a pass right here. 7 miles from pizza. But there's a trolley that runs to the campground that will take us into town for free. So we're finding our way.